Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnail downloader website and application. So using Google AI Studio, a free Google AI Studio account, you don't need to pay any money. Everything I'm going to use in this video is absolutely free, and I'm going to make both the prompt available for you and also the code, so you can generate something similar to this. I'm also going to show you how you can run ad on your website so that people, when they come to your website and they download any YouTube thumbnail, you can make money from them just being on your website. And of course, I'm going to show you how you can actually convert it to application. So let's say, for example, I put a YouTube link here and I click on get thumbnail. You can see the thumbnail is going to be generated for me automatically. Now for me to download it, I just have to click on download thumbnail and that thumbnail will be downloaded. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you how you can run ad on it so you can make money from it. So without further ado, let's get things started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this website in the comment section and description box below. Just click on it and it's going to bring you to this particular website. And in this particular website, this is where you can get the prompts that you're going to use on Google AI Studio to generate the code. So just copy, I'm going to come here and just copy the whole prompts. So when you come here, you're going to see prompt, just copy the old prompts the way they are. You have to copy the old prompts the way they are, so that you can paste it on Google AI Studio. So I'm just going to copy all this. I'm going to copy all these prompts. So make sure you copy the prompts the way they are. Don't try to change anything for now. So you can only change it when maybe after I've given you your code. So I'm just going to copy. I'm currently copying everything. So I'm just copying to this place, and I'm going to click on copy, and that is going to copy the whole prompt. Then I'm going to come to my browser here. I'm going to open another tab and I'm going to just search for Google AI Studio. So it's one of the best AI tool you can use to generate code. So I'm going to come here and click on this one, aistudio.google.com. So of course, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. But I have an account, so I'm going to just log in. So you come to the prompt area and paste the prompt that you copied. So I'm going to paste it here. Then you're going to click on the send. So this particular button, you click on this particular button to send your code. So I'm going to tap on that button, and this is going to generate a single file of HTML containing all the code that we actually need to get our YouTube thumbnail downloader application and website. So this is actually writing the code for you, and you just have to give it some time, and it's going to write everything for you. So let me just fast forward it, or we'll come back to it after it has finished writing. So it has successfully generated the code for you. So all you have to do is to come up here and you're going to copy the code. So there's a copy icon here. So all you have to do is just to copy it. So let me just scroll up a little bit, and okay, so it is here. So you're going to see this copy icon. Click on it to copy it. Then you're going to go to my Telegram channel and you're going to download the Hope web application. You're going to install it on your phone. So after I've installed it and downloaded it, of course you can use any code editor outside there, but I prefer this Hope web because it is easier, and I can just use single click and can preview everything I've done. So you can download it from my Telegram channel. It is free to download, of course. So when you downloaded it and you have installed it, click on create project. Then you're going to give your project a name. So let me just call this this project, I'm going to call it YouTube downloader, YouTube thumbnail. Let's call it YouTube thumbnail downloader. So after that, I'm going to come there and click on OK. So when I click on OK, this is going to come to my timeline like this. I'll tap on the YouTube thumbnail downloader, then tap on index.html. So what I'm going to do here is to select all. So I'm going to press my hand on any part of the code. Then I'm going to click on this button. This is select button, and then I'm going to come and click on paste button to paste my code. So that I'm going to do, I'm going to click on select and I'm going to click on paste, and my code has been pasted successfully. So to run my code, all I have to do is to click on this play icon down there, and my code is going to run. So when I click on the play icon, so let's see the outcome of my code. So you can see it here. I got the same almost the same with what I showed in the beginning of the video, and it is working. So we can test it to see if it's working well. So let me just come to my YouTube channel again and copy one of my one of my video URL, and you can generate the thumbnail. So this can work for virtually every YouTube video, every one of them. So let me just come here and click my video. So if you need any thumbnail from any YouTube video, you can actually download it, and you can of course host this particular application or website, and you can use it to make money. So let me just pick, I'm just picking any random one. Nevertheless,
if you're looking to land a job in data analytics,
so let me pause this and just come to share and copy the link. Then let's come to the application we just created, the YouTube thumbnail downloader. So I have there are many people that have created something very similar to this, and they are making a lot of money from it. So let's come to high quality, and let's click on thumbnail again, so you can see this and you can download it to your phone. So now let's make it live so that other people can actually visit it in form of websites, and they can access it, and we can run ad to it. So to get this done, all you have to do, let me just close this application. I'm going to copy this whole code. I'll click on select all, and I'll click on copy, which is the third icon. Then I'm going to come to my browser here. So when I get to my browser, all I have to do for my browser is to search for blogger.com. So blogger.com is from Google themselves, and is very, very awesome to host your website. It is free. Basically, it is free. So I'm going to come to a new tab, and I'm going to search for blogger.com. So here I am searching for Blogger. So just search for Blogger, and it's going to come up. I'm going to tap blogger.com. So you have to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account. It's a very simple way to sign up. So when you sign up, you'll be visited with something like this. So I'm going to come up here and click on these three dots. So on this three line, I'm going to click on this three line. When I tap on this three line, I'm going to tap on this drop down. There's a drop down icon there. When I tap on it, I'm going to come here and click on new blog. So when I click on new blog, I'm going to give my blog a name. So since we are creating YouTube downloader, let me just call it YT thumbnail. So it's thumbnail, not YouTube video. So thumbnail, and just call it YT thumbnail, and click on next. So the next thing I'm going to do is to give it a name. So let me just call it YT thumbnail download. Let's see if this is available. So yeah, it's not available. Let me put downloader. Okay, still not available. So let me just downloaders. So you have to just try to check until you get what you want. So let me just put underscore here and see if this is available. Okay, it's not supported. Let's look for let me just put my at the front here and see if this is going to go. Okay, still not available. You just have to find a way to ensure that you get a name that is available. So for this tutorial, let me just put my name at the front. I think that should be available. Okay, so then you click on save to actually get the URL of your blog. So when you click on save, it's going to actually be processing. So you're going to see processing under there. So you have to give it some minutes, and it's going to go to the next line, where it's go to the next page, where it's going to tell you that you have no post. So from there, we can now move on with what we are doing. All right, so it has successfully created for us. So if it's taking longer to actually create your blog, just try to refresh your browser and follow the process of creating it again, and it's going to go well. So now that I've created the blog, you'll be visited with this no post. So then all you have to do is to click. So you come up here, there's a three line just beside the logo of that blogger. So just tap on that three line. Then you're going to come and click on theme. So what I'm going to click on is theme. So when you click on theme, then you're going to go down a little bit and select the simple theme. So you're going to see this theme, simple theme. So in this simple theme, all you have to do is to click on apply, then click on cut it. So when immediately you apply it, then the theme is going to show this way. Then you're going to click on this. It's a drop down button. This, let me show you that, this one. So click on it and you are going to switch. So first thing, click on mobile setting, then make sure you select desktop, then click on save. So you click on mobile setting, desktop, then click on save. Then to click on switch to first generation classic. So let me do that again. Click on the switch to first generation classic, then click on switch without backup. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button, which is change navigation bar. Tap on that, then select the off, then click on save. So after I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on edit HTML. So then if you have to if you come here and try to select all, it might not allow you to select. So what you are going to do, so let me first go and copy the code again that I want to paste. So let me just come here and copy this code which we generated earlier. So if I should come here and right click, I can't see that. So I'm going to come and click on these three lines up here. Tap on that three lines. You're going to see desktop site. If it's enabled, disable it. So then it's going to enable you to be able to select all. So when I now come here, I can now see the select. So if I should click on this three dots, I'll see select all. So I'll now click. So I have to go back to desktop site again. So I'm going to click on these three dots. So when I click on these three dots, I'm going to enable desktop site. So with this, I can now be able to select or remove that and paste my new code. So I'm going to just press any place on the screen. So yeah, select all, delete that, and I'm going to paste the new code which we generated. Then I'm going to click on save. Then this is going to save successfully. So if you want to view it, you have to go back, click on back, then you're going to click on the menu icon beside the logo of Blogger, then click on view blog. So you can see that our thumbnail is working beautifully fine. So let's quickly put our ad to it. So I'm going to use Adstera because it is very fast in actually approving websites. So when I use Adstera, then you come to adstera.com, adstera.com, just sign up. So I have an account. So I'm just going to sign in into my own account. I'm going to click on start earning. I'm going to sign in into my own Adstera account. Just give it some seconds and this is going to be sorted out for you. All right. So then you have to copy the URL of your blogger. So I'm going to come back to my blogger and copy the URL. So I'm going to remove this m is equal to 1 and just copy only this. Then I'm going to come to my Adstera. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Then I've created an account, I've logged in. So you come to add website, click on add website. So when you click on add website, then just paste your website's URL here. Then you can choose category. So I'm going to choose category and I'm going to just write select order. Then I'm going to enable the adult ad. Then I'm going to choose banner. So you can add more ad that you want. So I'm going to choose a banner. I'm going to choose banner 6468 by 60. Then I'm going to click on add. So when I click on add, the Adstera is going to just confirm my site and send me a notification of approval. Basically, just refresh your Adstera and it's going to move from pending to approved. So I'm just going to refresh my Adstera currently now and see. It's just going to take you just few seconds or a minute and they're going to approve your account. So you can start showing ad immediately. So this is my Adstera, and so immediately that is being approved. What they're going to do is also very simple. They are going to come to this. There's a drop down button which you can see. This drop down button, just you have to select it. So when you select the drop down button, it's going to load up, then you see the banner that you've created. So now this is the banner that I created the other time. So you're going to scroll here and you're going to see get code. You're going to tap on get code. So you're going to get this code and click on copy code. So you come back to, okay, after copying this code, let me copy that. Then you come to your AI Studio and give AI Studio that code. So I'm going to come back to my AI Studio here. I'm going to say, so my AI Studio is currently opening. Then I'm just going to come and give it this prompt that add code to the YouTube thumbnail downloader. So I'm going to put paste the add code. Then I'm just for the sake of clarity, I'm going to copy the generated YouTube thumbnail downloader code. We'll copy that and paste it also in AI Studio. Don't forget that the code I've made them available on the website below. Click on that, you're going to get the code. So you just basically use it and you're good to go. So when I paste that, and I'm expecting the Google AI Studio to help me to combine everything into just a single file. So all I have to do is just to copy it and paste it, and my ad will start showing. And when I share it with people, of course, it is going to be SEO friendly, means that when people begin to search for YouTube downloader, mine is going to show at the long run. And when they start using it, I start making money. Or when I share it with my people closer to me, share it on social media, and they start using it to download thumbnail, that you are going to make money. All right, so just have to wait for this to just generate audio code for you and just copy it. So I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to copy the code. Then I'm going to come back to my let's see, my blogger. And in my blogger, just do what you did the other time, but this time around, click on edit HTML. When you click on edit HTML, let's see if it's going to allow us to copy. So select all. Okay, then just delete what you have there and you're going to paste your new code. So paste your new code now, and this time around click on save. So when you save, and this should show you that the saving has saved successfully, then you come back to your blogger. This one here, just refresh it and let's see. So at first you have to refresh, and you see that the ad is now showing. You can see our ad is now showing, and this is not just any ad. This is the ad that is coming from AdSteller. So as people come to your YouTube thumbnail downloader and begin to make use of it, you begin to make money from it. So you can just enter any YouTube video URL, get the thumbnail, and of course there's also dark mode. So at night people can actually use it at night, and this is amazing, super amazing. So guys, if I've gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget that the code you need to be able to generate this, I've made them available on this particular website. I'm going to put in the comment section and description. Just click on it and you're going to get it. So this is the code. I break the code into two parts. We have part A. So for the part, just copy everything in part 1 and also paste it. So copy everything in part 1, paste it, then copy everything in part 2, paste it just below. After I've pasted part 1, just paste it like that, and it's going to work beautifully fine. So this is how you can create your YouTube thumbnail downloader application and website, and also monetize it. So guys, I believe you've gotten value in this video. I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.